In this video, I will introduce the SPB soundboard I designed in detail. This is a retro modular sound processor similar to SPFM REbirth. It uses a retro sound chip like PT2399 to post-process the analog audio signal. The audio lines of each soundboard are connected in series, which means that the sound effects generated from the last board to the front board. In the current video, I use my favorite 3-board combination, namely reverb, gain, and tone control. So let's first look at the SPB motherboard, which uses DC 9V and provides positive and negative 12V. This is positive 12V and this is negative 12V, and it can provide 5V to the sound bus, which is compatible with almost retro sound processor and preamps. At the same time, you can notice that there are 3 skip switches on the board. Changing this switch can shield a single sound effect board. You can see skip SPB1, skip SPB2, and skip SPB3, which can be conveniently used to compare the processing results of sound effects. You can try skip the reverb board. And you can listen the reverb effect disappeared. And you can push this. The reverb effect come again. Then we look at the Doro PT2399 board. In the order from the back to the front. Since a single PT2399 can only handle mono, I integrated 2 PT2399 on one board. You can see there are 2 PT2399 chips on the back of the PCB, and you can see some description and features. You can see that there are 2 knobs. The yellow one is used to adjust the reverb time. And the orange one is used to adjust the dry and humidity of the reverb. The next board is this NJM 2150, a gain chip that enhances the clarity of the sound and both heavy bass and trebles at the same time. You can switch the gain function with these 3 switches. This is trebles switch, and this is bass switch. And this is enable switch. Press this to close this effect and open this effect. The last board is the TDA 1524 tone control, which is a multifunction sound processing chip that can perform 2-stage tone control. The yellow knob are used to adjust the treble. And the red knob are used to adjust the bass. At the same time, the white knob can adjust the stereo balance. The sound turn left and turn middle and turn left. And the orange knob is total volume adjustment.